So behind us you can see Tiruvalluvar statues, and before us the Rock Memorial of Swami Vivekananda. Okay. We are not allowed to take pictures inside that structure, so we are bound to make this video.
It's quite windy out here, but yeah, the weather is very good, and we are enjoying.
Yes.
If you come here, you spend 1 hour.
Although it's an off season and people say that there will be a lot of the weather will be very hot here, but it's so windy and it's so refreshing that you won't feel the heat.
And as you can see, what we found out, there was a compass over here. So that is Bay of Bengal.
Okay, yes, that is
This is Indian
this is
Ocean.
Indian Ocean. Okay.
And
That is Arabian Sea that way, the Indian Ocean. Okay, and this is
Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal. Okay, so that's it. So I think I'm not sure whether we are allowed to go to Tiruvalluvar's statue, because there is no ferry taking us to there, that place, and we can't go from this rock memorial to that place because there's water there in between. Maybe it's closed today, or maybe we are not allowed to go there. Okay, so this is it, and this is the main prominent tourist place of this place of Kanyakumari. Okay, and there's a sunset point, there's a sunrise point which we will be covering soon, the next morning. Okay, and the next evening. Catch you guys. Okay, Udanchu.